Today I'm going to show you how to make strawberry oat smoothie. And now I'm going to blend. So try it. Ooh, very good. My name is Meatballs, Smoothies Chef. Today I'm going to show you how to make strawberry oat smoothie. First, I want to blend this up for a few seconds. It's your option. You don't have to do it, but I just want to do it for this is so smooth. I just want to do it. But first you need strawberries, oats, honey, hemp seeds, chia seeds, and coconut milk. Ooh, that looks good. Then I'm gonna blend. Now. Then put strawberries, then honey, then hemp seeds. Now you can start. It tastes like when it's blended because of the structure. Then well, you don't have to do it or not, but most kids like it because of the structure. You don't have to put a bunch of things. You could put half. For now, I'm gonna put the whole bunch of things. Chia seeds. I'm going to put both of these at the same time. Put this first. This one's pretty long. And you don't close it, it will just go everywhere. That looks so good. That looks so satisfying. Look at this. This looks so satisfying. Try it. So try it. Ooh. It gives it a little shake. I'm very surprised. It gives it a little mix. It smells good, tastes good, and you should also bring it to the pool if you're near the pool or go to the beach. You could also make it with breakfast. Eat on! Eat them!
Came here for a snack. Cause this looks strawberry. I smell coconut. What did you put in here?
Coconut milk, strawberries, 2 cups of strawberries. Actually,
some strawberries. Are they frozen or are they frozen? Oh, frozen? Okay. They're pretty good.
Chia seeds, honey.
Chia seeds and honey. It tastes like strawberries. Like a strawberry milkshake. That's what it tastes like. And it kind of looks like ice cream where you could just get a spoon and just go
Yeah,
it looks really good.
Yeah, it looks like a slushy also. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell.
And comment down below what type of milkshake, what type of flavor of milkshake is your favorite. Strawberry or others.
My favorite? I'll make chocolate one.
Alright, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, and you get notified on all the videos me and him do. Bye-bye.
Will you remember that muffin one? It's very funny. It's very funny.
I forgot about that.
But you know what? See ya!
Wait, no, I'm gonna carry him a different way. No, wait. Get up here. Wait, I'm gonna see if I can carry him like this. I carry